Yellow spinners, Alex Sukhov is here, and today I will show you a very common linkage in pen spinning. It looks cool, helps to change direction of pen's movement without losing speed and stopping even for 1/10 of a second, only by turning the wrist. So today's linkage looks like this, and to learn it you should already master Twisted Sonic and Twisted Sonic Reverse. Tutorials for both of them you can find on my channel in the playlist with the trick tutorials. First you do Twisted Sonic normal to 3-1-2, palm down. Pen makes circle movement, and when it passes to 1-2 you make sharp turn palm up. So the pen stays at the same plane and continues circle motion at the same direction. Ring finger should stay a little bit bent. Later you will see why. At first, practice how to turn your wrist right after pen changes slots. Turning off the wrist should be sharp enough to give your mod needed initial inertia, and lighter your mod is, sharper the movement should be. Otherwise your linkage would look screwed. Help your pen to move in circle with your index. It should go up, behind middle finger leading the mod. Don't forget that learning goes much easier and with greater pleasure with a professionally pre-made mod. You can order it and spare parts for customization or making completely new mod by yourself on penstock.at, of course, with the delivery all over the world for fixed price. So after you pass pen mode to 1-2, it continues to move in circle. Change the slot again doing Twisted Sonic Reverse. Look, now you should turn wrist back to palm down position. But this time you should do it before the pen changes slots. As you remember, our ring finger was bent during the trick. When you do this charge reverse, pen should get stopped by it at the halfway, and at the same time you should turn the wrist. Less than a second, the pen would be placed between index, middle and ring fingers. At this time, palm should be already down. Now, bend index finger to let the mod move and make straighten movement with middle finger, initiating charge motion. And now we are at the starting position for doing Twisted Sonic normal palm down.
And the circle is now complete. You can repeat the linkage again.
If you do so, you can loop it in the never-ending movement. To learn how to start it with Twisted Sonic Reverse instead of normal. Also, you can change tricks in the linkage from Twisted Sonic to Simple Sonic, or add it after Twisted Sonic Reverse. That's up to you, I just give you basic concept of doing it. You can experiment and develop it by yourself, making your own style. If this video was helpful for you, if you liked it, let me know about that by leaving the comment below or pushing the like button, or both. If you want to learn more cool things in pen spinning, subscribe to this channel. Pen spinning grows and blossoms here. May the style be with you. Bye.